In today's video, I'll show you how to add gradients in Figma step by step. First, open your Figma file and select the shape, frame, or object where you want to apply the gradient. This can be a rectangle, circle, button, or even text if it's outlined. With the object selected, look at the right-hand panel and find the Fill section. By default, it's set to solid. Click on the color box to open the color picker. At the top of the color picker, change Solid to Linear. As soon as you do this, a gradient will appear on your object. Now, click directly on the object and you'll see gradient handles. Drag these handles to control the direction and angle of the gradient. You can rotate it, make it vertical, horizontal, or diagonal. To change colors, go back to the color picker. You'll see multiple color stops on the gradient bar. Click on each stop to choose different colors. You can also add more color stops by clicking on the gradient bar, or remove one by dragging it down. If you want a different style, open the Gradient Type dropdown and choose Radial, Angular, or Diamond to get different gradient effects. Once you're happy with the look, your gradient is ready to use in your design. And that's how you add gradients in Figma step by step. If this tutorial helped you, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Figma tips and tutorials.